All right, guys, this is LuLuLemon. Yes, they had a death candle here after earnings, but the truth about the fundamentals of this company. Back just last year, I made a video and I had said $420 a share for this company is outrageous and is extremely overvalued. It's down to $160 today. So they've lost almost 70% of their value. But looking at book value, looking at all the stats, right? Go look at their income statement. They're positive. They actually make money. They do have a little bit of a cash burn, but it's explainable. Their margins are right, 50% on gross profit margin. They have ops margin, they have profit margin, and their free cash flows can get to the positive side too. So any way you look at this, a 14 PE ratio, great entry at 160 is my opinion right now. Certainly only 5 times book, so it's getting back to reality for LuLuLemon and their investors. But here's why you know that this market is so grossly overvalued. That's a great company, it's a great brand, and it has the fundamentals to back it. Income statement, sheet, and cash flow chart all agree. Okay, I'm telling you. But this is why I compare things to GameStop, the company that nobody wants to give value to. When you go to GameStop, they have equally as great numbers as LuLuLemon at the end of it all. Yet GameStop's not trading at 5 times book. That's the average of the S&P 500 right now. These guys are given a $20 billion valuation. They have $1 billion of cash. They have a net negative position in cash on hand per share. So yes, they've built the business model. They did it off of debt, and they're profitable. That is a full running business. It's a full running engine, and it should get some value from here on up. Maybe 20 to 30%, just being realistic from the 160 plateau all the way up. You can get that $30 back, maybe hit 200, and you find some resistance there. But that's not the point. The point is that other companies out there are grossly overvalued. And that's how you'll find out just what GameStop's worth. So whenever we're talking retail, this is what I'm talking, guys. And I use multiple examples, and this is one really good example. I've read everything I can about LuLuLemon, and I'm telling you, at 160, I think it's a great buy. Would I buy it? Am I buying it? Absolutely not. Every dollar I own goes to GameStop. If it's going to GameStop, the stock, or the company itself, that's where I'm at. So I want you guys to have the info. You guys can go ahead and grab it. We'll follow the next couple of stocks moving up. We have earnings next week on GameStop. So if you're here with the channel, you're here on TikTok, you're here on YouTube, you're here with Twitter, doesn't matter. GameStop is the focal point of the whole damn world. Let the market do what it does, right? You invest past macroeconomics, you invest past geopolitical nonsense. No headwind is ever going to make its way towards GameStop. Ryan Cohen, Larry Chang, Alan Adel, the board of directors, that company is extremely undervalued still. If these guys are giving $20 billion, how is GameStop given $10 billion market cap? I know how, don't get me wrong, but GameStop has $9 billion cash. None of these guys have that. There's a method to the madness, guys. Enjoy. Peace.